What are you making?
Painting a Easter egg cookie, and it's edible paint.
Oh. What does it say? Or what did it used to say?
I forgot.
Easter 2016.
Oh.
It must have smudged.
That was an L. That was an L.
So everything's on the cookie, and you're using a special paintbrush?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. And then you're dipping your brush in the water.
Mm-hmm.
It's like painting a paper.
Yeah.
Did you get this for Easter?
Yes. It's fun.
You want to try some?
Mm-hmm.
What Mom made?
Yeah.
Try it. What does it taste like?
Lemon.
Does it taste like a lemon?
Mm-hmm.
I want to try.
Look at lemon. It's like yellow.
You want to say bye?
Huh?
Say bye.
Bye.